Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Aisyah. We are Group A. We are presenting our group project assignment. So the title our group project is Training and Development in Perodua. Hello, my name is Nurul Najwa binti Muhammad Zahir. My mention number is 299866. Today I will briefly introduce Perodua and outline the key challenges the company is currently facing. Firstly, we go through to the 1.1 Perodua background. Perodua or perusahaan otomobil kedua sendirian Berhad was established in 1993. It is Malaysia's leading car manufacturer and the largest producer of energy efficient vehicle (EVV) in the country. With over 5.1 million vehicles sold as of December 2024, Perodua plays a crucial role in the national automotive ecosystem, supporting 70,000 jobs including suppliers and dealers. Perodua operations include manufacturing, R&D, after-sales service and more. Their smart build blueprint in partnership with Daihatsu Japan aims to enhance Malaysia automotive competitiveness through technology sharing, training and a strong working culture. The company is headquartered in Rawang with facilities capable to producing up to 302,000 vehicles annually. Next, we go to 1.2 problem statement. However, Perodua is currently facing serious challenges. A recent recall of nearly 4,000 Alza and Arus vehicles due to non-compliance with safety standards has raised major concern. This affects customer trust, incur high costs, and risk regulatory penalties. Additionally, a public complaints about the faulty Beza vehicles sparked online criticism showing weak customer service and inspection processes. To make matters worse, Perodua partner Daihatsu was involved in the safety test scandal that impaired vehicles in Malaysia. Since Perodua relies heavily on Daihatsu for components, this incident severely threatened Perodua brand's supply chain's reliability and market trust. In summary, this issue highlights urgent gaps in Perodua quality control, supplier oversight, and crisis management. Moving forward, stronger internal system and employee training will be key to restoring customer confidence and safeguarding the company reputation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amira Syafiqah binti Azmir, number metric 300021. Next, I will be talking about Training Need Assessment or TNA and how it used at Perodua, Malaysia's largest car manufacturer. TNA is a process of identifying the gap between what employees currently know and what they need to know to do their job effectively. It helps determine if training is needed, what kind of training should be provided, and who should receive it. At Perodua, this is crucial because the company operates in a fast-paced industry where technology, customer expectation, and global standards are constantly evolving. There are three main levels of TNA at Perodua. First is organizational analysis, which look at the company overall goals and how training can support them. For example, Perodua goals include improving efficiency, adopting new technologies like automation and green energy, and increasing customer satisfaction. So, training programs are developed to help employees contribute to this objective. Second is task analysis, which focus on the specific duties and skills required for each job. For example, assembly line workers need training in machine handling and safety protocols. Quality control staff need to understand how to use diagnostic tools and maintain product standard. Customer service representative need strong communication skill and product knowledge. By analyzing each role, Perodua ensure employees receive the right training for their tasks. Third is individual analysis, which look at each employee's performance and development needs. If a production worker keep making errors and certain components, they may need extra training in equipment handling or reading technical diagrams. If a new customer service staff member struggling with handling complaint, they may need training in communication and conflict resolution. This analysis also help identify high potential employees for leadership development or technical advice. To carry out this assessment, Perodua mainly used two methods, which is performance appraisals and observation. Performance appraisals involve evaluating employees based on how well they meet job expectation. This helps manager identify specific skills gap and tailor training to improve performance. It also supports long-term career growth by highlighting both strengths and the areas for improvement. Observation, on the other hand, involve supervisor watching employee as they work. This provides real-time insight into how tasks perform. For instance, if a worker isn't using a machine safety, the supervisor can intervene or arrange training. Observation help detect issue employees might not report themselves. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Tuan Alia Syazwani binti Tuan Yahya and my metric number is 299493. Now, I will present the overall plan for our Perodua Employee Training and Development Program, scheduled from 24 to 26 of June. The training will take place at the Perodua Learning Center in Rawang, a facility equipped with all the necessary learning tools and a comfortable environment for focused development. This 3-day program is targeted at frontline employees, particularly those involved in customer-facing roles, operation, and administration. Let's take a quick look at the breakdown of each training day. For day 1, time management and work prioritization. On the first day, the focus will be on the management and task prioritization. Participants will learn how to manage daily responsibilities efficiently, avoid common time waster, and structure their work based on urgency and importance. Activities include visual learning, time blocking, exercise, and group discussion to encourage personal reflection and strategy building. The second day will focus on internal communication, covering verbal and non-verbal communication, active listening, and handling workplace misunderstandings. Through role play, pair activities, and scenario-based discussion, participants will improve how they engage with teammate and supervisor. This module is especially important to build collaboration and reduce miscommunication in daily tasks. The final day will focus on customer service excellence and conflict handling. Employees will explore how to manage customer expectation, respond to complaints professionally, and represent Perodua brand with consistency. Trainer will use realistic stimulation and peer feedback to build confidence and prepare staff for high-pressure service situation. Each training day ends with a reflection session and group sharing to reinforce learning and track participant progress. Overall, this program is designed not just to improve individual skill, but also to strengthen Perodua workforce as a whole in alignment with our value of quality, integrity, and teamwork. For this training program, we have a plan to accommodate between 20 to 25 participants. These participants are mid-level employees from various departments such as operation, administration, and customer service. The group size is considered optimal because it encourages interactive learning, engagement, and active participation. With this manageable group size, the training can also provide individual attention and support. Additionally, smaller group training allow for smoother management of simulation group activities and discussion, which help in sharing experience and encouraging teamwork. The preferred training location is within Perodua owned facilities. This ensures convenience for participants and enables seamless integration with daily operation. The selected rooms are equipped with a comfortable seating, projector, Wi-Fi, and other training tools. We have also considered important factors such as accessibility, which venues are easy to reach, flexibility, space adaptable to different training formats. We also have technical support, reliable multimedia setup, and also comfort and safety, well-lit and safe environment. And where necessary, external venue will be considered based on suitability and sustainability. Overall, this helps us ensure maximum engagement, smooth delivery, and alignment with Perodua commitment to sustainability and high training standard. The training room is a thoughtfully designed to create an interactive and engaging learning environment. Aligned with Perodua value of innovation and teamwork, the main seating layout will adopt a U-shaped configuration which encourage participation, clear visibility and open communication between the trainer and participant. In addition to that, the room will be equipped with a breakout table for small group discussion and hand-on activities. This room also have stationery supplies such as a notepad, pen, marker and name tag for effective note-taking and identification. If available, we will also have a refreshment area to help maintain participant focus and energy throughout the session. For technology, the room will feature modern audiovisual equipment like projector, speaker, microphone, laptop and extension cord. All of this is planned to minimize distraction to ensure every participant has a clear view of training material and support a future-ready, high-performing workforce. For seating arrangement, as mentioned earlier, U-shaped seating will be used to promote comfort, accessibility and interaction. This arrangement allows the trainer to engage directly with participants and help improve eye contact and communication, which are key of effective learning. Each participant also will have a comfortable chair and individual table, which can be rearranged easily during breakout session. Participants will be grouped based on strategic mix of departments to encourage cross-functional learning and collaboration. We will also make a special arrangement for participants with physical limitation to ensure that the training is inclusive and comfortable for everyone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Julia Amisa binti Jamaluddin. My matric number is 299488. Today I will be presenting the 4 types of trainer in Perodua commonly involved in workplace learning and development based on several important elements such as duration, material, assessment and evaluation. Let's begin with in-the-house trainer. This trainer typically handles short-term or modular program using internal SOP and presentation slide. Their assessment are done through quizzes or observation and they usually conduct a post-training review for evaluation. Next, we have the external trainer. They usually conduct training over 1 to 3 days and in some cases offer certification. The material they use are custom models and handbook to the client needs. Evaluation is primarily based on participant feedback and assessment include case study and formal exam. Now moving on to the technical trainer. This trainer deliver more hands-on training over 1 to 2 days, usually on site. They use manual or video as training material. Assessment is done through skill demonstration and performance log are used for evaluation purpose. Lastly, the soft skill trainer. They conduct workshop that last around 1 to 2 days. Their approach include worksheet and interactive activities. Assessment is based on a role play and a feedback session, while evaluation focus on survey and observe behavior change. In summary, each type of trainer serve a different function and offer an unique approach depend on the training goal, whether it's a technical proficiency, internal SOP and certification or behavior development. Okay, now let's begin on training equipment. The first one is automotive training unit. These are hands-on training tool used to teach a technician and assembly workers about vehicle repair, maintenance, diagnosis and assembly. The key of equipment include engine mode-ups, transmission system and suspension model. Second one is a workshop tool and machine. This tool recreate the environment of a service center or factory, giving trainer a realistic experience. Common equipment includes hydraulic lift, wheel balancer and elegance, welding welding machine and cutting tool. Next is safety training equipment. These are essential to ensure workers are well prepared for workplace safety and emergency situation. Example is PPE, personal protection equipment, firefighting simulation, first aid training kits. The last one is customer service simulation tools. These are especially used for training non-technical staff, particularly in a sales and customer service. These tools help improve communication skill and service quality. These include role-play station with smart customer counter, audio-visual tools for customer interaction scenario, and feedback analysis system. In summary, each category of equipment plays a critical role in building both technical experience and soft skill depend on the nature of the job and training goals. Next, which is outline the training method used by Perodua to continuously develop its work phase. There are three main methods. The first one is Perodua Learning Center (PLC). Perodua has established a training facility called the Perodua Learning Center or PLC. The center supports the ongoing development of employees by offering a variety of training programs. This includes technical training, soft skill development, leadership training. The second one is on-the-job training, OJT. This method emphasizes hands-on learning in real-world environment. At Perodua, new employees and trainers gain real-world experience under the guidance or experienced mentor. This approach is especially valuable for staff working in plant operation and service center, where technical skill and familiarity with a procedure are essential to ensure both quality and efficiency. The last one is a collaboration with educational institutions. Perodua actively work in a polytechnic, university and technical college to build a strong talent people. Through this collaboration, the company offers internship, industrial training, graduate trainer program. This initiative not only expose a student to real industry setting, but also help the company identify and nurture future talents. In conclusion, Perodua training methods are a balanced mix of internal learning, practice experience, and external partnership, all aimed at building a competent and future-ready workforce. Okay, next, let's move on to the key components of our training program, which is a training content. Categories into three main areas. That's a technical training, on-the-job training, and soft skill training. The first one is a technical training. This session focuses on building the core technical competencies required for our industry. The training includes engine and transmission system, electrical and electronic system, and safety and standard operating procedure or SOP. This area ensure that trainers are fully equipped with the technical knowledge and practice skill needed to work efficiently and safely. The second one is on-the-job training or OJT. This component emphasizes learning through real-world experience and include the practical application or technical skill, hands-on use of machinery or tools, real-time problem solving under supervision. This helps bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-life education. The last one is of soft skill training. Finally, we focus on soft skill training, which is is equally important for overall performance and workplace harmony. The training includes a communication skill and both verbal and writing, teamwork and collaboration, conflict resolution, problem solving, and decision making. As you can see, this soft skill helps foster a productive and respectful work environment while also enhancing customer interaction. In summary, our training program is a comprehensive and designed to develop both the technical and interpersonal capabilities of our staff. By integrating these three categories, we aim to produce well-rounded, highly skilled, and professionally ready to meet the demands of our industry. Okay, now let's explore the additional element that reflect a Perodua comprehensive commitment to excellence as a leading automotive manufacturer. The first one section is a quality assurance and continuous improvement. Perodua places a strong emphasis on quality assurance and continuous improvement. It applies the key principle from the Toyota product system, TPS and Kaizen, focus on defection prevention, standardizing process, and continuous improvement across operation. This is a further reference to the total quality management TQM practice. The second one is a customer focus. Customer satisfaction is at the core of product approach. The company emphasizes effective customer service, continuous collection and assessment of customer feedback. Next is a supplier collaboration and QCD. Perodua collaborate closely with a supplier and vendor, helping them meet its quality, cost and delivery standard. This joint development effort strengthen local business and improve the overall supply chains. The last one is a corporate social responsibility, which is CSR. Perodua also active in CSR, contributing to community outreach, educational programs, and environmental activities. It maintains a strong corporate governance, which is a focus on transparency, ethics, and compliance with international standards. In conclusion, Perodua's excellence is not limited to training but extend to a holistic model of organizational development through on continuous improvement, customer-centric strategy, and environmental and social responsibility. Perodua continue to be a model of sustainable growth and innovation in automotive industry. Thank you.
Next, we go to the 4.0 program implementation, constraint and recommended. 4.1 program implementation. To improve quality and safety at Perodua, we propose a training program fully integrate into employees' daily workflow. For example, production line staff will conduct quality check and safety audit every morning using detailed checklists to maintain high standard. Technical staff will engage in daily hands-on exercise such as fault detection and mock assembly drill to sharpen the skill and to reduce error. Customer service team will participate in daily role-playing to improve communication and empathy when handling complaints. Digital model on crisis management and quality control can be complete during breaks. While peer mentoring and daily huddles will foster collaboration, motivation, and real-time knowledge sharing. These activities promote continuous learning without disrupting daily operation, ensuring Perodua maintains top performance in product quality and customer satisfaction. So we move to 4.2 is constraint. However, several challenges may arise. Time management is a key issue as balancing training with production target is difficult. Limited access to skilled trainers and update resources can also affect delivery. Additional employee engagement may drop, especially during peak periods, and some staff may struggle with adopting new technologies. Lastly, ensuring training consistency across different locations remain a challenge. Lastly is 4.3 recommendation. To overcome this, Perodua should implement flexible rotating training schedule to minimize disruption. Regular assessment will help tailor content to employee needs, while recognized program will boost motivation. Finally, setting up decentralized training hub in each plan will improve access and ensuring standardization.
My name is Jasmine Rajmi binti Bakri. My metric number 298081. So I will continue for the next part, which is the program evaluation. Program evaluation overview for model is Perodua use key metric 5-level model. Purpose from the model is to evaluate training effectiveness at different impacts level, and benefits from the model is to track both individual and business wide outcomes. So basically, this model have 5 levels. The first one is reaction. Reaction is measured to participants' perception, such as engagement, relevance, and also experience. And purpose from this level is to gauge immediate feedback and likelihood of the knowledge retention. And for Perodua application and station survey on environment, trainer, and also materials. Tools that they use is like scales, open-ended question. And the significance from this level is to identify improvement and area for training delivery. Next, we move to the level number 2, which is learning. Measure for this level is knowledge, skill, and also attitude engagement improvement. Purpose for this level is validate if learning objective were achieved or not. And for product application, pre-test and post-test assessment. Tools that they use is like scale and open-ended question. Skill from this level, digital tools, data analysis, and also system response. And the next level is level 3, which is behavior. Measure from this level is on the job application of learned skills. Purpose from this level is assess real world behavioral changes. And for Perodua application, 1 until 2 months follow up with supervisor observations and monitor digital question and answer usage, team discussion. And also the tools that they use is observation checklist, feedback form, and also feedback form. And the significance from this level is to demonstrate transfer of training to work environment. Next, we move to the next level is with business impact. The measure from this level is to organizational improvement post-training, and purpose from this level is link behavior change to benefits business result. And for product application, improve audit score, reduce downtime or errors, and increase output and also fewer defects. And the tools that this level use is KPI dashboard or production, and also error logs. And the significance from this level is shown trainings value to company performance. And last but not least is return on investment, ROI. So the measure from this level is financial value from training, investment, and the purpose is to provide economic justification to stakeholder. And for product application and for product calculation, it costs almost 1,100,000, and the benefit it costs 250,000, and the ROI we got 150%. Tools that this level use is cost benefit analysis, which is and the ROI formula. And the importance from this level is supports future training budget with data and with data driven proof. The summary and the impact from this level, from this evaluation, which is the key metric model, is the holistic training evaluation that tracks progress from engagement to business value. And the Perodua results show strong link between training and performance improvement.
My name is Nur Izzati Farhana binti Muhammad Azman, Nomometric 299983. So we go to evaluation design. In session 5 we focus on the evaluation design used by Perodua to assess the effectiveness of its training program. Evaluation design refer to the structure or method used to determine which employer have gained the necessary knowledge, skill or attitude after ongoing training. At Perodua, the most commonly used evaluation design is laboratory, pre-test and post-test method. This approach is widely implemented across different type of training, especially in technical area where precision and skill are crucial. Under this method, employers are given a pre-test before the training begins to measure their existing level of knowledge and skill. After the training session, the same or a similar post-test is administered to assess any improvement. By comparing the result of both tests, trainer and manager can clearly see the learning outcome and determine how effective the training has been. For instance, when new system or manufacturing equipment are introduced, workers must undergo training, and this design help ensure they are competent and confident use the new tools. Perodua enhances this design feature by incorporating surveys that include multiple choice questions, Likert, Sky, item and practical based questions. This evaluate not just theoretical understanding but also practical application, such as performing safety checks or handling equipment. The feedback gathered from this assessment allow Perodua to identify strong areas as well as get that quick future support. For example, employers who do not show significant improvement in post-stage may give additional coaching or practical training. This evaluation method strikes a good balance between accuracy and practicality, with more advanced design like the Solomon for group or time series method offer greater scientific precision. They are resource intensive. In contrast, the pre-test or post-test design is effective, cost efficient, and give Perodua actionable data we like begin to complete to administrate is aligned well the Perodua commitment to continuous improvement, operational excellence, and workforce development. In conclusion, by using the pre-test and post-test evaluation design, Perodua ensure that its training programs are not just delivered but also impactful. This method support the company's strategic goal by improving employer
competency and humanity, boosting productivity, product quality, and customer satisfaction.
In summary, Perodua's commitment to continuous improvement, employees' development and customer satisfaction reflect its dedication to maintaining its position as Malaysia's leading automotive brand. By identifying critical training needs and implementing structured development program, Perodua ensures its workforce is well equipped to meet an industry challenge. With a strong emphasis on quality, safety and innovation, Perodua is well positioned to grow sustainably and uphold its reputation in the competitive automotive market.